Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we are going to see that how to find the element information using Python. So for finding the element information in Python, there is a library known as periodic table. So for installing that table, for installing that library, what you have to do, you have to just write pip install periodic table and then just execute your shell. Then just wait for few seconds. It will collect and then install it. In my case, it is already installed. Okay, now let's get back to our code. So after installing, you have to import the periodic table. Okay, then we'll create a function. Okay, now I have created a function using the def keyword. Then I've given the name element underscore info and I'm taking a parameter for the symbol. Okay, now I'm using a method known as get attribute. Okay, and in this method, I'm going to access a attribute present in the library periodic table. So if that symbol will be present, so then it will give the information about that symbol. And if it is not, then it will give us null. Okay. And then we are storing it in elements so that whenever we want to access the name or the volume or the density or whatever the value of the element, then we can find it using this element object. Then before that, what we are doing, we are taking a condition to check that if the element is none, means if there is no element present, like our input, so it will return, it will give us this condition will get true and it will print element not found and we are returning nothing. Then we have taken a dictionary info, and in this dictionary what we are doing, we have keys, name, atomic number, atomic mass and density, and in the values we are printing the following attributes present in the periodic table symbol module. Okay, using the element name, so element dot name, then for atomic number element dot number, for atomic mass element dot mass, and for density element dot density. Now this is our dictionary. Now for printing the dictionary, what we're going to do, we are using a for loop, and in this for loop we are using the dot items to iterate over both key and value together at the same time. So for key value, for key comma value in info dot items, what we are doing, we are printing the key and the value. Then now we are taking a input from the user for the symbol present in our periodic table. Okay, and then we are doing it as capitalize. Why we are doing it as capitalize? Because all the elements, first letter is in capital, in uppercase, and then rest of the letters are in small. So because of that, we are making it as, we are applying a string function, that is a string method capitalize. Okay, so the first letter will be always in uppercase. Then we are calling our function with this following symbol. Now let's just execute the code. So it is asking enter the element symbol. So we'll enter H. So H is for hydrogen. So it will give the name hydrogen, atomic number 1, atomic mass is 1.00794, and density is 0.0708. Now you can check it for different. For suppose Br, that is bromine, atomic number is 35, atomic mass is 79.904, and density is 3.12. So now you can check for all the elements present in the periodic table. Okay, so you can get the name, atomic number, atomic mass and density very quickly. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in the